Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple apron for fashion dolls. The embroidery is optional, but on my website there are free tutorials on embroidery techniques to help you with that, along with free patterns for the other garments that you see. Today's video is an old one that I've remastered. I'm sorry, some of these older photos are a little bit blurry. Okay, so to start this easy apron project, and it really is quite easy, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out one long rectangle of white fabric and one smaller one for the belt. Hem 3 sides of your apron, the longer rectangle. You may use a whip stitch to hem or your sewing machine. At this point, add your embroidery if you wish to have some. Gather the unhemmed edge at the top of the apron and measure your gathers against the belt piece. Now, your belt should be slightly wider than the skirt. I'm using 1/8 inch offray ribbon for ties in the back of my apron. Measure a length of ribbon to tie in the back. Now mine was about 30 centimeters long, and it's a little embarrassing, but I kind of wish I'd made it longer than that, so there's some advice for you. Use a little Fray Check to seal the ribbon piece's edges, or just tie knots in the ends of each ribbon, or do both. Baste stitch your ribbon to the gathered waist, and now it should look like this. Attach the waistband to the gathered edge. Here's how it should look now. You're going to fold the waistband over first once, and then before you do the second one, fold the sides of the waistband in and then do a second fold. At that point, whip stitch along the double folded edge. And now you're ready to try your apron on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. You guys have inspired a lot of the doll clothes that I have designed, the free patterns that are available at shelleywood.com. But my list of requests is becoming huge. So it's time for me to offer a course where I teach you the 3 easy methods that I use to design doll clothes patterns. If you're curious about my class, I recommend that you go to creativespark.ctpub.com, where you can sign up for their newsletter. That's the platform I'll be using for my paid courses. If you enjoy my free tutorials, wait till you see what I'm creating for Creative Spark. I look forward to creating amazing patterns with you.